I'm at Bill Peterson's house on Independence. He has a carrier unit. We are looking at installing a dehumidifier. We, of course, whenever we install it, we want to stay out of the way of this walkway right here in case this behemoth ever goes bad. We'll be doing a return to return installation. As far as electric goes, we'll run from this room over into the bathroom. Bathroom has a drop ceiling. Into this cedar closet, which is right next to it. There is room up above there to come through. And then our joists run this way. Then we go to the back room. This box is completely full here, so we'll be using this Challenger box. And as you can see, we do have space.